This video is proudly sponsored by Exter, the world's largest smart wallet brand. As we proceed with the video, we shall tell you more about this amazing brand. 10 best places to visit in Madagascar. Hello Displorers, welcome to another exciting video presented to you by Displo, and thanks for watching. In this video, we shall be taking you to Africa to show you the top 10 best places to visit in Madagascar. Madagascar, officially the Republic of Madagascar, and previously known as the Malagasy Republic, is an island country in the Indian Ocean, approximately 400 kilometers off the coast of East Africa. At 592,800 square kilometers, Madagascar is the world's second largest island country, and its size as an island country tells you all the beauty that it has in store for its visitors. One of the last major areas of Earth to be settled by humans, the natural beauty and ecological diversity of Madagascar makes it feel like a country forgotten by time. Located off the eastern coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean, Madagascar is home to thousands of plants and animal species found nowhere else in the world. Madagascar's extraordinary natural diversity has earned the country the nickname the Eighth Continent. A veneration of ancestry and tradition pervades the national culture, a reverence that is reflected in the country's architecture, art, and social manners. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. From beaches, islands, diverse flora and fauna, just to name a few, there are thousands of places which any visitor to Madagascar will enjoy, and which we have been able to narrow down to just 10. Hence, here are the top 10 best places to visit in Madagascar, of course, in no particular order. Number 1. Nosy Mangabe. Eminent for its booming populations of bog-eyed lemurs, the Nosy Mangabe is a picture of tropical perfection and a spot you should not miss when visiting Madagascar. Snuggled deep between the coastal hills of Helodrano and Tokila Bay, which carves its way inland on the northeastern edge of Madagascar, the small island calm nature reserve of Nosy Mangabe is a real must for any wildlife lovers heading to these parts. Huge fig trees wrangle around groves of palms, ruffed lemurs meet mantilla frogs in the undergrowth, and the green hills crash down into secluded bays of bright yellow sand. The richness of Nosy Mangabe goes beyond its wildlife and plant species, as the place is a picture-perfect location. Number 2. Rano Mafana National Park. Located in the southeastern region of Madagascar near the village of Rano Mafana, the Rano Mafana National Park is one of the nation's most popular parks, and for a good reason. Imagine numerous streams splashing through densely forested hills. That is the picture the most scenic eastern section of the park paints in the eyes of its visitors. Besides its scenic nature, the park is home to the endangered golden bamboo lemur, an animal whose diet includes bamboo shoots that contains doses of cyanide that would be lethal to other animals. Yet, the charming golden lemur feeds on the bamboo with no ill effects. Head to Rano Mafana National Park and watch in awe how its unique natural life flows. Number 3. Maswala National Park. If you desire to see a pretty impressive mammal, head to the Maswala National Park located in the northeast of Madagascar. The Maswala National Park covers nearly 250 miles of rainforest and includes 3 marine parks as well. This park also features 10 species of lemur, including the ii, the world's largest nocturnal primate. The park is also home to a diverse array of birds and reptiles, including the tomato frog, named for its bright red color. The Tampolo, Ambodiletri, and Ifaho marine parks found in the Maswala National Park are ideal for snorkeling and kayaking adventures, which is the unique appeal of the park. Number 4. Andazibe Mantadia. Madagascar is famous for its array of natural ecology as well as its numerous gorgeous lemur species. But if you wish to see the biggest of them all, then the Andazibe Mantadia is the place to go for such glories. Encompassing around 100 miles of land in eastern Madagascar, Andazibe Mantadia National Park is home to 11 lemur species, including the country's largest lemur, the Indri. Located near Madagascar's capital city of Antananarivo, Andazibe Mantadia is one of the easiest parks to visit, split into 2 areas, the Mantadia National Park and the Analamazwatra Reserve. Number 5. Royal Hill of Ambohimanga. Madagascar is not only home to regular tourists, as it also has some sports with a royalty tag to them, one of which is the Royal Hill of Ambohimanga. Considered one of the country's most sacred sports by the Malagasy people for 500 years, the Royal Hill of Ambohimanga is a historical village that was once home to Madagascar royalty. The wall that surrounds the village was made in 1847 and was constructed with a mortar made of lime and egg whites. How fascinating! The Mahandriono compound includes the former home of King Adriana Puenemerina, with walls made of solid rosewood and artifacts of the island's great king, including drums, weapons, and talismans. The UNESCO spot includes a kingly court, rooms, and exquisite timber and stone roof architecture meant for royalty. So, Prince Harry, we know how much you love touring the African scenario with Princess Meghan. We will see you at the Royal Hill of Ambohimanga on your next African tour. Hello explorers, remember we said at the beginning that this video is sponsored by Extra. Extra is an ultra-slim trackable smart wallet that can hold up to 9 cards, and along with some cash, you can easily access your cards with just a push of a button. This wallet comes with a slim solar power tracker which fits so perfectly in the wallet and can be connected to your phone, so you have no worries about losing your wallet because it can easily be traced with the help of the smart tracker. This wallet comes in 9 different colors. Dear explorers, we highly recommend this wallet, which is why if you use our discount code which is linked in the description of this video to purchase this super sleek wallet, you get a 20% discount. So explorers, what are you waiting for? Click on the link and upgrade your wallets. Number 6. Ifati. Ifati is a name given to 2 dusty fishing villages on the coast of southwest Madagascar. Ifati is a stretch of sun-kissed one-time fishing villages on the southwestern edge of Madagascar, an island ideal for diving, snorkeling, and fishing. The desert island area is known for its spiny forest, where the strange-shaped baobab trees have thrived for centuries. Famed for their luxurious hotel resorts and white beaches of shining yellow sand, they draw some of the biggest crowds in the country. Most come for the rigmarole of sun, sea, sand, and world-class snorkeling that's offered by the Indian Ocean, while others head in to enjoy catamaran tours on the Mozambique Channel, sample ube fresh fish curries, and encounter the traditional reed villages of the coastal folk. Either ways, it is the best of both worlds when there. Number 7. Avenue of the Baobabs. The Avenue of the Baobabs is a group of trees lining the dirt road between Morondava and Beloni Siribilinia in western Madagascar. A striking landscape draws tourists from around the world, making it one of the most visited locations in the region. The baobab trees, up to 800 years old, did not originally tower in isolation over the landscape, but stood in a dense tropical forest. But over the years, the forests were cleared for agriculture, leaving only the famous baobab trees to stand in all their gorgeous glory. Number 8. Nosy Bay. The small island of Nosy Bay is one of Madagascar's premier tourist spots, attracting thousands of tourists from across the globe all year round. Its beaches are no picture perfect as some other tropical beaches, but tranquility, clear turquoise waters, and excellent seafood restaurants serving seafood dinner on the sand score high amongst tourists, which is why they keep coming back for more. Shining in assorted alabaster, white in the harbors and inlets that ring the shoreline, the beaches here come in all forms. Nosy Bay is a mixture of variety, including beach parties erupting each Sunday along the sands of Madirokeli. Number 9. Tsingy de Bemaraha. The Tsingy de Bemaraha Reserve lies in the southern region of Madagascar's largest natural reserve, Tsingy de Bemaraha Strict Nature Reserve. A truly dramatic landscape of carved rocks and towering hoodoos, needle-like stones, spires, and colossal monoliths balanced tenuously atop cliffs. The Tsingy de Bemaraha is one of Madagascar's most curious natural treasures. The park features a broad expanse of mangrove forest and 7 lemur species, including the Denkens sifaka, a genus of lemur notable for its creamy white fur and black face. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, tagged for its great biodiversity of dry deciduous forest, rare rock habitats, and the photogenic nature of the sweeping plateau, within making it a nature's lover's haven. Number 10. Izalo National Park. The Izalo National Park, located in the central southern region of Madagascar, is notable for its varied terrain, areas of grassland, steep canyons, and sandstone formations, all dotted by occasional pools lined by palm trees. Designated a protected area way back in 1962, this one's extreme biodiversity and unique natural makeup are instantly recognizable. Visitors come to wonder at the windswept uniformed mountains and walk beneath towers of stacked stone. Available here are also the rare crested ibis, the ring-tailed lemurs in the wild, and more than 80 species of endemic birds, along with the famous Canyon of Monkeys, with its dexterous Sifakas inhabitants. Hello explorers, for sticking all the way to the end of this video, here is a bonus place just for you. Number 11. L'Île Sainte-Marie. Located off the east coast of Madagascar, the L'Île Sainte-Marie Island is an array of protected bays and inlets that drew in pirates during the 17th and 18th centuries. The wrecks of several pirate ships can still be viewed from the shallow waters of the Baie de Fobans, and the island is one of the top tourist attractions in Madagascar. If you're interested in the pirate history of the island, it is best seen at the Old Buccaneer Cemetery. The still, clear waters of the island's base make ideal spots for snorkeling and migrating humpback whales visiting the island waters during summers and early fall. There you have it, explorers. Those were the top 10 best places to visit in Madagascar. If you did enjoy this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends.